Hello friends, welcome to the CloudWeek YouTube channel. My name is Manoj and today we will learn how to manage Microsoft 365 administrative tasks with Lokka and Claude AI. So Lokka is an MCP server and it is developed by Merrill Fernando and we can use it with any MCP client. So the best option is using it with the Claude AI. So it gives the best result with the Claude AI. So in this video, we will learn how to set up Lokka with the Cloudy AI. These are some prerequisites like you should have node.js installed. You can click on this link and download the node.js. And you can download the Cloudy desktop application from here. You should have Microsoft 365 admin access. And with the admin access, you need to create an Microsoft Entra application. So let's see how to create an application. So first we will go to the portal.azure. Here log in with your Microsoft 365 admin account. So here go to the app registrations. Click on the new registration. Here you can provide any name and after providing the name you just need to click on the register button. So our application is created. You should copy the application ID. So copy it and paste it into the notepad. Okay. You should also copy the tenant ID. Now one more thing we require is an secret value. So here go to the certificates and secrets and in the client secrets click on add new. So here you can provide any description like Lokka or you can skip the description part. And once done, click on the add button. Okay, it is the secret value. Copy it and paste in the notepad. Okay, so these three things we require to set up the Lokka with the Cloudy AI application. So now we need to provide the API permissions so that the Lokka and the Cloudy has the access to provide you the informations. So here we will click on the API permissions. Here add a permission and in the Microsoft graph application permissions, here you can provide the permission according to your need. Like if you want to read only user, so you can choose user read permission. Or if you want to read write all permission, like you need to manage the users from the Lokka and Cloudy AI, so you can provide the user read write permission so that it can make changes to the user, like it can change the password. So you can provide user read, you can provide user read write, so it's depend to you what task you want to do. More permissions you can provide like group, like you can provide group read all, group read write. So you can assign permissions according to your needs, like what task you want to perform with it. So it's up to you. So once done, you can click on add permissions. Here click on grant admin consent and yes. We have now provided the admin consent to these API permissions. So now we are good to go. So here this is the code that we need to put in the Claude AI app. So copy this code and paste in your notepad here. So three things we need to change in this code is like tenant ID, client ID and client secret. So app ID is client ID. So here copy your app ID and paste here. Copy your tenant ID from here. Paste here and it's your secret value. Copy it and paste here. So now our code is ready. So besides these three things, you do not need to change anything. So now open the Cloudy application. Okay. So I have already downloaded and installed the application and log in with the free account. So you can create your free account and log in with that. So once done, you can click on the three lines and here go to the files and then settings. Here go to the developer option and here we need to edit the config file. So we will click on this. So this file cloudy desktop config we need to edit. So open this file. Copy your code, paste here. Once done, save this file. Now we need to exit this and exit this. So the application is not fully closed, so we need to close it from the task manager. So here go to your task manager. Here right click on the Cloudy application and end task. So now the process is completely stopped. So this is required as we have made changes in the config file. So to implement these changes, we need to fully stop the application. So now run the application again. Okay. Now you can see the hammer icon here. This hammer icon indicates that your MCP server is connected. Now you can check it from the settings here. Go to the developer and you can see it is connected. You can command it to perform your administrative tasks. So we have provided the permissions for user read. So we can get the users from here. So you can command get all users with licenses. You can run this command. So here it is asking for your permission. So we can allow for this chat or we can allow once. So now it will automatically run graph scripts to get the user accounts. So only you need to provide the instructions and it will do all the tasks from there. You can see the users with the licenses here. So we have only instructed the Cloudy application like get all users with licenses. From here you can perform any administrative task. One thing you need to provide like permissions to the application. So the permissions which you have applied, you can perform the task based on that. Thank you guys for watching the complete video. If you have any queries regarding this, you can ask us in the comment section.
Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Also follow us on other social media platforms. Social media links are in the description.